This is the best natural fertilizer for orchids. Enjoy flowers all year round. Today I will share with you how to make a natural fertilizer that helps orchids create lush root clusters, grow strong layer by layer, and prepare for the brilliant blooming season. We use pure coffee, a powerful source of nutrients for orchids. Coffee has antibacterial and antifungal properties and is rich in micronutrients that help orchids root, bloom, and grow healthily. Take 1 teaspoon of pure coffee and put it in a clean jar. Next, pour in 500 milliliters of boiling or hot water to activate and extract all the nutrients in the coffee. If you are new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe button to support me and so you don't miss any orchid care tips. It's great to have you along on this journey. Next, stir well to completely dissolve the coffee in the water. Once the solution is evenly dissolved, seal the container tightly and begin the brewing process. Wrap a towel around the jar to retain heat, helping to enhance the extraction process. After an hour, open the container. The second ingredient is a banana, a powerful natural source of nutrients. Bananas contain many vitamins C, B, and E, along with important minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, and nitrogen, which help orchids develop roots, thick leaves, strong stems, and flower stalks very effectively. When we eat bananas at home, we should save the peel. Banana peels are a treasure trove, containing potassium and many other micronutrients that are especially beneficial for orchids. Next, we proceed to finely chop all the banana peels. The thinner the slices, the easier the nutrients will dissolve. What country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment to let me know. It's great that we can connect and chat with each other from all over the world. There, we're done. The banana peels have been chopped and are ready for the next step of nutrient extraction. Next, put all the chopped banana peels into the container to begin the nutrient extraction process. Next, pour in 500 milliliters of hot water to activate and release the nutrients in the banana peel more quickly and effectively. Then stir well to allow the active ingredients to begin separating. After stirring, close the lid tightly. During this time, the banana water will dissolve all the essence, creating a powerful nutrient solution for the orchid. Next, before applying fertilizer, we must follow the correct procedure. First, we water and soak the plant with clean filtered water. We thoroughly water the entire growing medium and the roots of the orchid. After soaking for 15 minutes, the purpose is to awaken the root system, activating all the cells in the orchid roots to prepare for stronger nutrient absorption. When the roots are activated, the plant's ability to absorb nutrients will increase many times over. In the garden, for any orchid we care for, before applying nutrients or fertilizer, it is mandatory to awaken the roots first. When the root cells are active, the care will be most effective. Remember, orchid care should be done in the morning, before the sun rises high. At this time, there is gentle light and wind, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients quickly, photosynthesize strongly, and develop more steadily. Next, after 15 minutes, we will remove the orchid pot and set it aside. If the water in the pots is still clear like this, it indicates that the growing medium is clean and well drained. Thus, the care will be highly effective. Let the plant rest for a while to dry before proceeding with the care. Therefore, the growing medium must be regularly rinsed and kept well drained for the orchid to be healthy and for the roots to develop strongly. If the water in the pots is cloudy, or even cloudier than this, the care will be less effective because the growing medium is less clean, retaining a lot of dirt and mold. Next, our coffee water after exactly 1 hour of brewing has completely dissolved. The essence in the coffee has been released into the water. At this time we will take it out and filter out the residue, keeping only the essence water layer to prepare for using to care for the orchid. Next, take a clean cup and add the coffee nutrient solution. Then, prepare a soft cotton pad and soak it directly in the solution. Once the cotton pad is evenly soaked, place the orchid in it and begin the care process. Gently wring out the cotton pad and wipe all the orchid leaves. Upper leaf surface. Wipe away dust and dirt to allow the leaves to breathe. Underside leaf surface. Completely remove mold, fungal growth, and any remaining dirt. This care should be done every 2 weeks. When the orchid leaves are always clean and glossy, the plant will photosynthesize strongly, metabolize well, and grow exceptionally well. Immediately after that, set the plant aside and proceed to the next step. Continue wiping both sides of the leaves thoroughly, the upper side clean of dust, the underside clean of mold and any small insects that may be hiding. When the leaves are completely clean like this, the orchid will grow healthy, strong, and recover extremely quickly. In the process of caring for orchids in the garden, we always follow this order. Step 1. Soak the orchid pot in clean water to awaken the root system. Step 2. Wipe the entire plant with a nutrient solution, in this case, lightly fermented coffee water, which has antibacterial and antifungal properties, and effectively supports leaf and root growth. Here, when applied correctly, all the mold and insect damage on the leaves will dry up like this. Coffee water is extremely powerful. It's antibacterial, antifungal, regenerates leaf tissue, and significantly stimulates orchid growth. Immediately after application, yellowing orchid leaves will gradually turn a healthy green, and leaf drop will be significantly reduced. So, we have completed the step of wiping orchid leaves with coffee water. All dirt, mold, bacteria, and insects on the leaves have been completely removed. The coffee water layer is also a strong antiseptic, creating a clear leaf surface for the plant to recover faster. Next, we take the plant outside and start mixing the nutrient solution. The banana juice is an extremely rich source of potassium and vitamins. After fermentation, the banana juice has completely released its nutrients, so we must strain out the sediment and filter out all the pulp. Next, we filter the banana juice and coffee together, removing all impurities. Once the mixture is clear, we stir well to ensure the two components are completely dissolved. Now, prepare a clean spray bottle and pour all the filtered nutrient solution into it. The nutrient solution from bananas and coffee has been perfectly blended into a natural fertilizer that both resists mold and provides essential nutrients. Once the solution is full, spray it directly onto the orchid plants to provide nutrients and fungal protection quickly and effectively. Next, place the orchid pot inside and spray directly onto the entire leaf surface. Foliar fertilization in this way helps remove dust from the upper surface and mold from the underside, while also fully opening the stomata, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients more effectively and transport them down to the roots. As a result, the orchid accelerates growth, recovers quickly, its leaves turn a deep green, and the clean leaf surface allows for much more efficient photosynthesis. Continue by placing another plant inside and spraying similarly. Spraying in the morning is optimal because the plant absorbs nutrients quickly and the leaf surface dries naturally. Maintaining this process every 2 weeks will help the orchid have bright, healthy leaves with thick, prominent veins and especially strong root, shoot, and flower development. New root tips will sprout faster and stronger. Afterward, instead of just spraying, you can water directly at the base of the plant to allow the roots to absorb nutrients more deeply. Next, take a watering can and pour all the combined nutrient solution into it. Then, proceed to water directly at the base of each orchid pot. Watering at the base like this helps the roots fully absorb the nutrients, stimulating strong root growth and healthier plant development. Water directly onto the roots and the entire growing medium. This helps wash away mold, clean the entire growing medium, and create conditions for the roots to absorb nutrients better. When the roots are pumped with energy from below, the plant will grow vigorously. Next, soak the entire pot. Soak for about 20 minutes to allow the nutrients to penetrate deep into the roots and growing medium. With this care routine, maintained regularly every 2 weeks, our orchids will grow exceptionally well, with healthy roots and leaves, and especially produce many healthy and beautiful flower buds. Now, pour the remaining nutrient solution into the container. Then proceed to water the orchid, paying close attention. Only water the roots and growing medium. Absolutely do not water the top. Watering only the roots like this allows the plant to absorb nutrients effectively. Pumped from the roots upwards, helping the entire stem and leaves develop more healthy. Next, soak the pot. Soak for about 20 minutes. This completes the nutrient watering process for all the orchids in the garden. After 20 minutes, wipe the plant clean to complete the care process. Next, 20 minutes after spraying, use a soft cotton towel to absorb and wipe away any remaining moisture from the leaves. Thoroughly wipe away any fertilizer residue in the leaf axils, leaf tips, and shoot tips. Use the towel to remove excess water from the orchid leaves to prevent mold growth. If the leaves retain a lot of nutrients, mold will spread rapidly and harm the plant. Therefore, this drying step is extremely important. Continue wiping the leaf tips, leaf surface, and leaf axils, completely removing any remaining water. Doing this correctly will prevent fungal diseases from developing on your orchid. Afterward, move the plant to the garden. At this stage, the leaves are clean, dry, and well ventilated. So place the plant in a well-ventilated area with plenty of diffused light to allow for better photosynthesis and metabolism. With the right light, the plant will recover quickly, sprout strong roots and shoots, and grow exceptionally well. When caring for orchids in the garden, prioritize mornings. At that time, the plants photosynthesized easily, and both roots and leaves are highly active, resulting in the best care. For these plants, place them in a well-lit and airy location, but avoid direct sunlight on the stems and leaves. Regarding watering, every 3 days, mist with clean water to maintain humidity. For a nutrient solution, water once every 2 weeks, which is twice a month, sufficient for strong growth, healthy roots, thick leaves, and abundant new shoots. Following this process correctly, orchids in the recovery phase will thrive, develop roots and shoots, and return to their best condition. After a month, The results of the care are clearly visible. The orchid leaves are shiny, thick, sturdy, and distinctly green, with strong red veins, all indicating the plant is growing and photosynthesizing extremely vigorously. The young shoots and red buds are developing well. And best of all, the plant has begun its vibrant flowering season. Here are the flower spikes, pushing up beautifully. This plant even has 2 flower spikes at once. The plant is healthy and has sufficient nutrients, so the flowers are very strong and the colors are rich and long. The entire new root system is also growing extremely well. Thick, white roots with green tips, creeping along the rim of the pot and reaching the bottom. When the orchid roots develop like this, it means the plant is in a robust, healthy, and vigorous state, ready for many consecutive flowering seasons. Thanks to regular, persistent, and proper care, our orchid has healthy leaves, strong roots, and flowers easily, even blooming year-round. The leaves are bright, clean, and thick, with roots spreading out in clusters from the rim of the pot, a truly pleasing sight. Look at the plant next to it. The leaves are extremely bright, thick, and firm. The roots spread out in layers, covering the pot completely. New flower stalks are emerging, growing vigorously. The flower stalks are thick, the flower colors rich, vibrant, and lasts a long time. And here's another plant cared for with this nutrient solution. The roots are densely packed, with clusters of fresh, green roots spreading throughout the growing medium. A healthy plant will bloom consistently, vigorously, and for many seasons, rewarding the grower's efforts. The leaves are completely clean, free from mold, pests, and diseases. The flower stalks continue to grow, their colors becoming increasingly vibrant and long. Thus, when we put our heart and soul into caring for orchids, the plants will respond with vigorous growth, bright leaves, strong roots, and vibrant flowers, truly the result of a well-cared-for, garden-grown orchid. What do you think about the way I care for this orchid? Don't hesitate to leave a comment and share your thoughts. I really look forward to hearing your feedback and experiences. Each share from you is a valuable source of motivation to help us learn together and love plants more every day. In the next video, I will reveal a new method to revive care for orchids, help the plant root up rapidly and bloom quickly to the point of overwhelming.